as the summer approaches, it is equally important to create a cool and refreshing indoor oasis during those scorching days. One way to achieve this is by bringing the beauty and freshness of summer indoor plants for living room. Indoor summer plants not only enhance the aesthetics of your living space but also purify the air, improve mood and create a soothing ambience. So in this video, we will explore 15 wonderful summer plants allow you to enjoy the benefit of nature throughout the season. So hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel Swaroopa Diaries with one more new video. In this video, we have shared 15 indoor summer plants are sure to enhance your home during the warmer months. Whether you have a small living room or a spacious house, there is a wide range of plants to choose from. So without any further delay, let's start the video. So guys, that's all for today. We sincerely hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more new videos. Thanks once again. Have a nice day.